Pootle is back.
Winter's coming, we've got woolly hats on. Are they coming out nice and easy?
They're coming out nice, yeah.
Easier than the last man?
Oh, the last ones I had to drill out by hand. It took 2 days to get them off.
How you getting on, love?
Final bolt is out and it's so much nicer. A joy.
Did you forget one, dear?
I did. But I tell you what, this socket set is lovely.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it quality?
It's quality.
Becky's on it, she's pulling all the plastic tubs out. Tabs?
Tabs, lugs.
Lugs, whatever you want to call
What
them.
do you fancy?
So what's behind there then?
Just literally. Oh shit.
Oh shit on it.
So we just put some fleece in there.
Yeah,
and that's
it'd be
it.
easy to insulate, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Nice
and easy.
Nice and easy, nice and squeezy.
Let me just pull these up again and then you can have a look properly.
That's alright. Got something stuck to your butt, dear. Laid an egg.
There you go. Oh look, even little stoppers. They spared no expense in the boarding.
There, that masking tape?
Yeah.
It's brand new. What is that?
What?
Thanks, Ford.
Thanks. Lovely. What's behind panel number 2?
Oh, they come out nice and easy, don't they?
They're lovely. They literally have a 2-part to them.
And you were going to buy a special tool.
Just bleeding under my nails now. Great. Bye-bye.
That's what the panel's clipped into, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Pootle.
Yes. Thank you. Pootle is back.
Winter's coming, we've got woolly hats on. Although, the sun has come out.
And literally, they just pull off.
Easy enough.
Fixtures and fittings and small plastic fittings.
What?
Yeah, fixtures and fittings. Brown cardboard panels and sticky fingers. These are a few of the favourite things. Oh, you're filming?
Yeah.
Oh.
Your hair's cold. You know, that's sexual harassment in the workplace. Well, that ended nice.
Oh, thank you very much.
I'll get you back later.
Right, I'm going to put these screws into this
Got end caps.
turret guns.
I can't put...
From it.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool, yeah. Yeah, look. That's expensive, man, as you can tell it's... And they're riv nuts, that's all they are. Oh, look at that one, my God! Look at that!
Yeah, I was just looking at it.
That's terrible. Someone butchered that. Pass me camera, let's show everyone this. I've got to show everyone this. Right now, remember, this is brand spanking new, this van. Right, look at this. This is, I've just taken these out and I was wondering why there isn't one in there. And look at that, look how it's been butchered. And this has been done in the factory. Unbelievable. Does make you wonder, doesn't it? Right, let's take the middle one off. See if that one's got any surprises for us.
Yeah.
So I said to you, oh, it doesn't line up, didn't I?
Yeah.
As soon as I undone it, as soon as I undone one end, it kind of sprung round. So it was fitted under tension.
That's why.
What's this one like? Anything hidden under there?
No, I think this one's a bit better.
Well, there you go. I think that's enough for one day, don't you?
Thanks.
You're welcome. You look confused.
Yeah, I do. Trying to work out why one's bigger than the other.
Don't know.
Bizarre.
See if you can reach it.
I can see what's in it.
Just about. Bless her.
Oh, funny. It goes up at the back here.
I think it's stuck down. Yeah. There you go.
I think we should upend
That way.
it.
That way.
That way? Okay.
Yeah, so you stand this corner.
I'm getting wet.
You stand this corner and I'll go there and then you
Alright,
can
flip it up. Okay.
And then I'll come in and walk out with it. That makes sense?
Yeah.
And there you go. That's the van stripped out and ready
To insulate.
to insulate.
That'll be tomorrow.
That's tomorrow, yeah. So there you go. That's the van all stripped out and ready for the next stage.
For insulation.
Insulation.
Yeah.
That was easy, wasn't it?
It was.
That's got to be the easiest van strip out I've ever done.
Yeah.
And I've done a few
Over the years.
over the years. Alright, granddad. During the war. Anyway, on that note, we're going to say ta-da. Thanks for watching. Ta-da for now.
Bye.
Bye. Take 3. Outro, take 3. So until then, we'll see you next time. Ta-da for now.
Bye, everyone.
The simplest van strip out I've ever done in all the vans I've ever done.
Yeah.
That makes no sense. Say goodbye, Mel.
Goodbye, Mel.
Oh, that's one, isn't it? Say goodbye, Becky.
Goodbye, Becky. See you next time in the next adventure of our van.